Bitcoin is the weakest chart here, and I received many questions this week. Why this weakness just now while the market is trying to recover? So let's review the story of the selling wave that we're seeing on these three charts: the ARK fund, the large tech stocks, and cryptos. So the strongest damage in the ARK fund has occurred in 2021 and early 2022. Then the selling wave has attacked the large caps, and we all remember the bad earnings in April, strong catalyst to the downside. Cryptos have held a lot better than many tech stocks, but the selling wave has accelerated at the end. So the collapse of the Terra project just at the end of the selling wave has been a huge catalyst. So Bitcoin is the asset affected by the most recent wave of selling. So there is supply there that needs to be absorbed, and this creates a lagging effect. Now, let's say that the overall market recovers from here. Bitcoin could be quiet and dull for some time, but once the supply has been absorbed, it will establish the correlation to the upside. So we can take advantage of this structural position to get good price on the lows of the structure with proper risk management. So Roman, what do you think about this strategy?
I absolutely love it because it describes the nature of the downtrend, and it also gives us an indication of what might come in this rally, or like the sequence of how the money is going to be put in back into the market. Majority of my positions right now to the upside is here. What am I seeing here? Isn't this the place where there is like the most damage? Yes, and therefore it's at the extreme oversold condition where a snappy rally up in a lot of the stocks of this nature are kind of appropriate. So all of my positions are here. I think that the next recovery is going to be in the big FANG stocks, and then the crypto world will follow after that. So it's kind of like a reverse sequence from what we were seeing in the down market to what we're seeing in the recovery right now. And once that plays out, once we see that, let's say, the cryptos are going to become strong and they're going to become the strongest, this is probably going to be the end of the rally. So you could time it based on their comparative outperformance of these three groups.